It's an agreement that we have between us and ITL. Then the agreement that the MOU that we are going to sign last year in October, ladies and gentlemen, last year in October, IFM, last year, Frank, last year in October, we signed this MOU as TIBA and IFM. Right. The reason why we went into this agreement with IFM was a number of objectives. Number one is to close, there has to be collaboration between industry and academia. Now, the reason why there have to be collaboration between academia and industry is because our interests, they go in the opposite direction. Industry, we are there to maximize our profits. Academia, you are there to do research. So if we do collaborate between the two of us, at the end of the day, it will be a win-win situation. Then number two, the other reason why we entered into this agreement is as industry, insurance industry, we want to give back to the community that supports us, as it's actually part of our corporate social responsibility to give back to the community. That's why partly we went into this MOU. Then thirdly, what we want to do is, yes, we appreciate what the colleges, the learning institutions are doing, but what we also want to do is to make sure that we bring a complete student ready for the job market, ready for the insurance industry. The colleges, they are doing the best that they can do, and we are not there to take over, your teaching duties. We are only there to supplement what you're doing. So at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is to make sure that those products, those students that we have, when they come out of the universities, they are complete, ready for the challenge in the insurance industry. If I can just add, the reason the insurance is an international business. What we want is to make sure that the students that will produce from the learning institutions, they are able to communicate with somebody in Belgium, somebody in Switzerland. We find that a risk that is in Tanzania will be insured in Kenya. It will be insured in Malaysia. It will be insured in Germany. And it means, what it means is those students, they have to be in a position to communicate, to talk that international language. And that is the reason why we are there. That was the purpose that we entered this into this MOU. So some of the functions, some of the reasons why we had the objections is to do the training of the students. But there are certain areas, as TIBA, we don't have the know-how to train some of the students. So what we've done is some of the services we are outsourcing to companies like ITL, and this is the reason why we are entering into this MOU with ITL to help us to train the students at IFM. Then thirdly is what we need is to train those. The reason why we want them to train, to help us train the students in software technology, and at the same time, we want to prepare the students, the industry, to technologically driven, because that is the future. Elsewhere, they are now talking about the fourth industrial revolution, which is technology. And the future is going to be run on technology. So the best way for us to invest is to invest in those youngsters, teach them, train them in technology. And this is the reason why we have ITL on board to help us to make sure that we invest in those young people, we train them, they are ready, and when they are complete, they come into the insurance industry. Thank you.
Thanks.